Amalia and Hannah. I'm glad that we can have this discussion on the issue of food security. It's such an important topic, especially considering the current global situation.
Absolutely, Joan. If we go back to the definition, food security is a condition where all people at all times have physical, social, and economic access to sufficient, safe, and nutritious food that meet their dietary needs for a healthy life.
I agree. So it's not only about the availability of food but also about nutrient. Whether the food provide the necessary nutrient, many countries still struggle when food is available but the nutrient value is poor.
That's right. And this is where the distinction with food sovereignty often comes in. While food security focuses more on the outcome, that people do not go hungry, and food sovereignty emphasizes the right of communities, especially farmers, to decide on their own food system.
Exactly. Food sovereignty equals the right to produce local food, to design food policies that match community needs, and to reduce dependence on import.
I think the two concepts complement each other. We need food security to warrant availability and access, but we also need food sovereignty to make food production more sustainable and community concrete.
The challenge, however, is the increasing food demand due to populating growth. While food supply often remains unstable, climate change, economic crisis, and conflicts that all lead to food scarcity.
Yes, and that's why we often hear about the risk of hunger. In my opinion, one of the most important solutions uh, is food diversification. Instead of relying solely on one step crop like rice, for example, we should also develop corn, cassava, sorghum, or even other local food that are rich in nutrients.
Exactly. This diversification not only strengthens food supply but also improves nutrients. People diets become more balanced and the rise of hunger is reduced when there are more food choice available.
But even if food is available, accessibility often becomes a problem. For example, when prices are too high, poor communities cannot afford the food they need. So accessibility must be viewed both economically and geographically.
That's right, many remote areas still face distribution challenges, so food security is not only about production but also about distribution and affordability.
I would also like to add that food security must be strongly connected to public policy. Governments need to support small farmers, strengthen distribution infrastructure, and provide nutrient education so that people can make healthy food choice.
I agree. To sum up, in order to tackle food security issues, we need to balance food demand and food supply, ensure accessibility for everyone, promote food diversification, and pay close attention to nutrients.
And we should not forget to strengthen food sovereignty so communication have control over their food system instead of relying entirely on global markets.
Exactly. At the end of the day, our goal is prevent food scarcity and hunger and to guarantee everyone right to adequate nutrients and affordable food.
Well said. This discussion has really depended my understanding. I hope these ideas can be translated into real practice, both in policy making and in a daily life. Okay. Thank you guys for this
Thank you.
discussion.
Okay.